Hello my people, hello everyone. Welcome back again to our channel Commenters Analyzer TV. Today we don't carry another Aigbogun story come on my people. What will they talk today? Which story will they talk today? We are still on Ebony matter. As I know now, we are still on Ebony Obasuyi matter. Yes, so as Ebony go Asaba, she can't drop one post say, see as Asaba people take carry me like egg. Oh my god, I'm grateful. Yes, you have to be grateful, my dear, because I notice whenever Ebony go out of Benin, the way people take dey like carry her, the way people take dey carry her, e dey more different than the way we Benin we no value our thing. Yes, not be only Benin, na everybody we no dey value our thing. If something good dey our hand, we no dey value am. We prefer to value outside than that thing wey we get for our hand. Because whenever Ebony go out, I dey see her, all those big actress, they take dey appreciate her, they carry her. But Mo come back to Benin, her fellow actress, na to fight and disgrace themselves for media. Ebony, I go advise you, make you just focus on that Asaba people, because they say na who value you, you dey value. Who call you person, you call her person. Anyone wey not call you person, no reason am, not trying to call them person, because they no accept you as a person too. Okay, my wonderful, beautiful Ebony Obasuyi, you too fine job. Make the clear road for you. As we the Benin no value our thing, as Asaba people still value you, my dear. Right done, right done. I like as they take they embrace you, like, take carry you, everybody they welcome you. But if now our people now, when you come in the midst of Benin people and you are still Benin, so go they do nose like this, so go they raise their nose go up, so go they raise their nose go down, which is very bad. But if you go outside your people, not only Benin, as I say, but wetin I dey always notice, Igbo people, they always value their people. They value their people. But na only we no dey gree value our thing. We prefer to value outside than value our thing. So my people, more see wetin people comment for this post wey Ebony drop. As una know na wetin we dey do for this channel. That is why the channel is called Commenters Analyzer TV. Yes, na wetin we dey do for the channel be that. We dey always go through comments and also tell una video when we want, or post when we want go through the channel comment. We dey always go through comments to bring out wetin people contribute their own opinion on the post. So today we will go through this Ebony comment. Mo see wetin people talk. Yes, mo see wetin people talk about her. Our first comment, what would you take today? This one say, have a wonderful day. And another one say, be safe. I'm sorry. And this one say, enjoy yourself, my sweethearts. This one say, you deserve it, my beautiful. This one say, a woman with a heart of gold. Really? It be like say I will call Ebony. May I see whether she really get that heart of gold, the way people call her, whether na wetin she really be. Because sometimes the way people praise her make me they love her more. I don't know, the way people take they praise Ebony make me they like her more. So our next commenter say, my dear, my Edo first daughter, you deserve it. This one say, now where in Asaba? You won't go visit her, where they ask where in Asaba? And the other one say, my dear, be happy. Even Jesus Christ was never recognized by his people. The Lord is your strength, Ebony one. The only Edo daughter, the only Edo first daughter, the only Edo queen of movies. Hey, this one go let people cry now. This one when you can't write for the ending. You want make some people start to dey cry for you. This myself. And our next commenter say, na so na house fowl for no get value. Abeg stay around people wey value you. Yes. Just wetin I talk na house fowl for no dey get value. If fowl comot for house, e go get value. Yes. So our next commenter say, me dey say Asaba. Where are you in Asaba? If she can't tell you wetin you wan do, you wan go meet her or what? And our next commenter say, yes, now you deserve it because you be queen. We move. We move. Our next commenter say, when you are big, you are big. More blessing to you, sis. And our next commenter can say again, Ebony Obasuyi, aka Ebony Asaba. The way that Asaba they pay your arrival, sha emoji of love. They go they they go they at least lick. Our next commenter can say, now I know why those Edo local Benin girls are fighting you. Really? But God passed there. Are they really fighting her? We don't know. Now yeah for no. And our next commenter say, I am your fans. I beg, I wish to join you in the entertainment industry. Good morning. Happy Sunday. Okay. So people reply her and say, inbox her, she is a nice person. And another one say hug. And another one say, with master from Malaysia, now entertainment you want join Mercy. You know our people now. And our last comment for today say Edo to the world. My people, thank you everyone for watching. God bless you. It's just a short video and we not to get comments. Anyway, we get comments now, just I love you, beautiful, you know, now for the comments. So we are not here to read all those things. So my wonderful people, God bless you for your time, for your wonderful support. I really appreciate you now. Please, if you know say never subscribe to this channel, Commenters Analyzer TV, please do subscribe and on your notification bell in case whenever I make a bang, you will receive my video for anywhere where you take. God bless you, my amazing people. Please do share this video. Share to your friends, WhatsApp, Facebook, and tell them to support this somebody sugar mommy. Tell them to support me, okay? God bless you, my amazing people. God bless you. God bless you. I appreciate all of you for our love and our support. Please, subscription are free. Not be money that they subscribe. Oh. If you want subscribe, that red when they put subscribe, just touch them, you will subscribe. You don't finish. And also touch them again on the notification bell. You don't finish, they no take a dime from your subscription or your money. God bless you, my amazing people. I appreciate all of you for our love, for our support, for supporting Commenters Analyzer TV. You guys are amazing. God bless you. See you on my next video. Bye.